Leandros was a lion with a golden mane and a voice like thunder. When he roared, the clouds seemed to jump and the trees shook their leaves. But inside his big, furry chest beat the softest, kindest heart in all the grasslands. He loved his home and every creature in it. He spent his days walking through the golden grass, making sure everyone was okay. He never used his strength to frighten the other animals. Instead, he used it to reach the high fruit for the giraffes, or to move heavy logs so the turtles could pass by. One sunny morning, Leandros heard a tiny, shaky sound. Help! Oh, please help! Behind a large bush filled with sharp, prickly thorns, a little mouse named Whisk was stuck. He had tried to find a berry, but now the thorns held his fur tight. Leandros didn't hesitate. He knew his paws were huge, but he was very patient. He reached out and used one single claw to lift the thorny branches away, one by one. He was as gentle as a summer breeze, making sure not to scratch his new little friend. Whisk scurried out of the bush, his little heart pitter-pattering with joy. He brushed off his whiskers and looked up at the giant lion. "Thank you, Leandros," he squeaked bravely. "You are so big and I am so small, but I promise that one day I will help you too." Many days later, Leandros was strolling through the tall grass, dreaming of a nap. Suddenly, snap! A heavy net hidden in the leaves fell from the trees. Leandros tried to jump away, but he was caught. The thick, itchy ropes wrapped all around him. He tried to pull with his strong legs, but the knots only grew tighter. He tried to roar for his friends, but he felt so sad and trapped that his roar was just a low, lonely rumble. He lay down in the grass, wondering how he would ever get out. Far away, Whisk heard that lonely rumble. He knew that voice. He didn't waste a second. He ran as fast as his tiny legs could carry him, zipping over rocks and under leaves like a little brown blur, following the sound of his friend. Whisk found the net and saw Leandros. "Don't worry," he squeaked. Whisk climbed onto the thickest rope and went straight to work. Crunch, nibble, snap. His tiny, sharp teeth bit through the fibers. He worked and worked until the biggest knot fell apart. With one final tug, the net slid off. Leandros was free. He gave Whisk a very gentle nuzzle with his big nose. They sat together under the orange sunset, knowing that no act of kindness is ever wasted, and no friend is ever too small to be a hero.